guys, Mike here from the Bull Capital, and today we're gonna talk about levels again, but a different type of levels. So this is the part 3 of levels. We're gonna talk about hold levels and break levels. Okay, so actually I'm gonna write here, okay, hold level and break level. Change the color. Yeah, we have these two types of levels. What actually they are, let's see. So we are on BTC right now on 4-hour time frame. Let's actually find some that we can use. Okay, so we have here a hold level. Let me add. Let's see actually where it is. Should be this one. Yeah. So this is a hold level. Why it's called a hold level? Because it's holding the price moving higher. Okay. How do you find these hold levels? So you take the last swing low. So you look for something like this. So you look for something like this. Okay. Now this is a hold level. Okay, it's gonna hold the price moving higher in the future. Now depends on the time frame you are, and also depends on the structure, how strong it is. Okay, why I haven't marked anything else? Because everything else has been tested already. Okay, this one has not been tested yet. It's gonna be tested here in the future. Okay, now so this is a hold level. Let's find another hold level, but this time we're gonna find a hold level that it's gonna hold the price from moving lower. Okay, let's see. I think we have one here on the lower time frame. So actually it's the same thing. Let's go on 1 hour time frame. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, so this is a hold level. It prevents for the price moving lower. So you're actually looking for something like this. Yeah, now for example on 4-hour you don't really yeah, you can spot it, but not like drawing exactly the level. But if you go on lower time frame you'll see it better, so you can draw the level. Even if you go even lower on 50 minutes time frame, we have multiple here, because we also have this one, but this one already has been tested here, and bounce from this level, it bounce up. Okay, so this one already has been tested. So this is the next one. Yes, this one has not been tested yet, so it's valid, okay, in the future. Now let's actually see what happens. So now we have a hold level. We have actually two hold levels, up and down. Remove this one. Now let's find the break level. So what is a break level? Okay, so I think we have one here, but we need to go on the lower time frame actually. Something is here, okay, but I cannot really see exactly on 4-hour time frame, so I must go lower. Okay, here it is. Yeah, okay, so let's dissect this this move right here. So we have this break level here. Yeah, so actually this one, it didn't really touch it. Okay, so we can use this in the future maybe, but the only thing that actually it can present a risk. Why? Because it went too close. So we can also say that okay, has been touched. Okay, but in reality it didn't really touch it. Okay, it touched this here. Okay, but this is actually was our break level, because we had accumulation here. We form this break structure, and this is our break here. So we'll see in the future if it's let's see actually right now. So yeah, here it is. We had little bounce, so actually it bounced here, yeah, little bit higher, and then it went lower. To this one from here, we have another one on a lower time frame there. I think it's 5 or 3 minutes level there. But let's not worry about that. So let's go back on what we are doing. So now we have a hold level. Actually, let me name them. Yeah, so this is the hold level. Let's make them uppercase. Okay. Now we have a hold level on the lower side. Okay, and this is our break level. Great, let's let me put them to center. Okay, bottom. And bottom. Great. Okay, so This is actually a hold level uh, from past, okay, but we are interested in the current structure, and we also gonna talk in the next lesson about valid levels and invalid levels, because I see a lot of people that they are using old levels which are not valid anymore, and we're gonna talk how we can actually know if that level is valid or not. So let's play this. So we had a break in the level, okay, now it formed a hold level here. It has not been tested yet, okay. I think I need to. So now it formed a structure, and now we have another hold level here that has been formed, okay. So now we know about this level, we're gonna mark it, and now we have two hold levels, one on the upside and one on the lower side, and now we created a range. Yeah, so this is the range right now. Let's hit play, and here it creates a break level, okay. So what that means, it means that how high actually it can go. So we have another hold level around here, I'm on 4 hour. Yeah, we have another hold level here. This is the origin point, it's called origin, okay, because from here it starts this local downtrend. And this now acts as a hold level, and it can actually weak the origin point, okay. Let's see what actually happens. So you see this hold level, how it holds the move, and now it's actually accumulating just above, just below or at this level, meaning that right now it's strong, okay, and we did not had a hard rejection. So it's possible that maybe this level it's not gonna hold too much, but let's see, okay, because it's way too early to tell. So here it is, we weakened the origin level, how I said. Yeah, so it hold it and then it break it. So it attacked the origin point, that means it's gonna go higher to the next hold level. And there you go, we touched the whole level. You see how good it holds, and also this holding level hold the price, so you could also use this as an entry. And you had like 7% profit. Look how nice this weak touch here, okay. So this whole level acted as a strong resistance, so you could take a short here, okay. And now We can remove this hold level because we do not need it anymore. And now the break level, it's gonna oh, this has not been tested actually yet. It's gonna act also as support now in the future. And there we go, it went a bit lower. I think we talk about why, because we have another level there. So now look how nice it touched this hold level and it bounced back up. Let's see actually how high it goes. So now we have this range between two hold levels, and there we go. So you actually went from the bottom to top almost, which is 31% profit. So if you know your main hold levels, you can trade on them. You can actually mark the real range. Okay, so you won't have problems with the price by going up and down between your levels, and you're not really sure which one is stronger or not. So this is the range right now. This is the hold levels that we have, the main ones, and other has been created. We have another hold level here. If we go to 1 hour time frame, let's see if we find it. Not, it's way too noisy, but let's go on 50 minutes time frame. I think we have this one here, which has been a break level here. I think it's a 5 minutes level. And also we have, let's see, this one has not been tested, and we have another one here, this break level. Okay, and that's all. Okay, so that's all for now. And we have another one here. Oh, this one already has been tested. Okay, so yeah, there is nothing at this moment. So let's see these ones. I don't know if BTC actually went lower. I don't actually remember. No. Okay, so yeah, so this is a hold level and a break level. Let's find another example. Let's see what we can find. Okay, this is a break level. This is way too much sideways movement. Let's actually skip this. Let's find some. We are on 1 hour time frame. Okay. Yeah, this is a break level here. Come on. Yeah, this is a break level, and in the future it's gonna act as a hold level. And there we go, you have a perfect touch. Okay, and now this is gonna act as a hold level on the upside. I think it's somewhere here, but if we go on the lower time frame, I think it's we can mark even more. So there you go, how it hold the price going higher. Okay, so these are two hold levels which create a range, yeah, a real range in that moment. Okay, let's see what else we have. But let's also talk about break levels a little bit more. So also here we have a break level. So actually we're gonna learn more when we're gonna start learn about trends, okay, because here we had a downtrend break, okay, it went up, it had a rejection, okay, because here we have a hold level, so it went lower to the this actually here we have a hold level, yeah, that's why it went here, so everything it's perfectly so here we have a hold level, yeah, it didn't let the price go higher, and here we have on a lower time frame we have another hold level here, so you see this nice touches, okay, so everything works perfectly, and we had another bounce from here, so now here it creates, actually we can go even on the left side on a lower time frame, it creates a breaking point, okay, a break level, which we know, okay, if it's gonna break this price it's gonna go up, okay, so actually here it breaks this and it goes up, okay. So when we have a break level and a hold level close to each other, okay, it's better to wait and see if it are close above this hold level, yeah, because it can have another rejection if you have a hold level close. So let's see what else we can find. So I'm gonna show you like few examples so you understand actually how it looks, the hold and the break levels, and how you can use them. Let's see. I want to find another break level, but I want to find a easier one for you guys to see so you can understand how it actually works, because some of them are harder to spot. Yeah, we have another one here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you something right now. So we have a break level here, which it's gonna act as I said as a hold level in the future, and there you go, here it acted as a hold level and it had the bounce. Look how perfectly touch this level. Okay, this is like trade with not a risk actually, yeah, because there is no risk involved, and here it creates a breakpoint which is gonna act as hold level in the future, and here we go, yeah, it bounces from here and it goes up, even if it doesn't go too much higher, it's still a great trade. Okay, nice profit, and actually here it creates another one. So it creates structure within structure within structures, okay, that they are gonna use in the next price movement. And here actually again it created a break level, which it's gonna act as hold level in the future somewhere here. I'm gonna ignore this week because this is different, it's from another time frame. Okay, we can actually mark this, but it's not from this time frame. So we have this bounce here. Yeah, very nice. So if you mark a level on let's say on 1 hour time frame, okay, it's good to trade on that time frame and not bigger, because some of them they won't be valid on higher time frames. Okay, if you want higher time frames, you go on the higher time frames. And here we have another break level, which is gonna act as hold level in the future. Let's actually see. Yeah, these ones here, and you see those because we have another one here if you look closely. Yeah, and we also have another one here, and we're gonna also talk in the next lesson which one it's more stronger. Okay, because between all these three, one of them are stronger than another one. Okay, so in that way, you know, okay, maybe I'm gonna leverage high leverage this one and low leverage this one. Okay, or maybe not trade at all on this one, and I'm gonna trade on this one because it's stronger. Okay, so we're gonna learn about that. So you see how it hold this move actually here, and yeah, and here we go, we have this perfectly touched here also. Of course, if you want to catch moves like this, for example, this big sell off here this week, or we have another one, I don't know, let's see if we have another one, maybe this one here. You go on higher time frames first. Let's see if we find something on 4 hour, and I already saw this break level here. Yeah, we have a break level there. And if you want to be more accurate, first you mark on a higher time frame, and then you go on a lower time frame and see exactly where that is. Let's see, I am on 1 hour time frame, and I need to go even lower a little bit. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I am okay here. I am okay here, and we have another one here. I'm just gonna mark this one. Actually, we have there is one more here. Yeah, so I'm okay. So let's go back to 4 hour and look how we can catch a wick like this. Okay, but first, so it depends actually on what time frame are you gonna trade. Okay, so if you're scalping just 5 minutes time frame, it's fine. 3 minutes time frame, it's fine. Okay, yeah, so that's a hold level, a break level. Okay, we have hold level which above which hold the price going higher, we have hold level below which hold the price to go lower, and we have breaking levels. Okay, and every break levels, it's gonna act in the future as a hold level. Okay, so that's what we learned today. So I hope that you understand how to spot hold and break levels. Just try to exercise, okay, until you spot them very easily. And we're gonna talk in the next lesson about which one is stronger and which one is weaker, and also how to know if a level is still valid or not. Okay, because even now I see a lot of people drawing levels on the chart that are not valid anymore. Okay, so those levels are useless. You can just remove them, delete them, do not trade on them anymore. Okay, so that was all for now. Thank you very much, and we're gonna see you again in the next lesson.